everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this is pre-filmed, which means it was made yesterday but uploaded today. Sorry, my hair is a mess, but I had a fan blowing on my face. Anyways, welcome to today's vlog. Anyways, so by the time this is up, I got this slime yesterday. So I am addicted to this slime that I got yesterday. It's so cool. I let it like chill throughout the day, like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, because this will be up on Wednesday. So yesterday I let it chill on like my windowsill, and yeah. And I've just been having a lot of fun with it. I did a time lapse. ASMR. But yeah. So here it is out of the container. Ooh, stretch that amazingness. So I might do a video on how to make butter slime, but just like a story time. So yeah, this is like putty type slime, but I still call it slime. It doesn't really stretch, but you can still like poke it and play with it, which is what I love about it. So you can stretch it. So I had a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So by the time this is up, it'll be Wednesday. So everything that I'm gonna be saying is gonna happen. Would have happened yesterday. So I had a little bit of pain. Last night, but it's gotten better, and yeah. Yeah, so here's the slime. I know it looks rough. Look at it. You guys like that slime? It's so awesome and amazing. Yeah, this vlog is probably going to be called I am in love with this slime, or I love this slime. Probably I love this one. Anyways, so yeah. I'm going to put this back in the container and then do the outro. Ugh, stop it. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Oh, right here. Magic Putty Clear. Whoa, look. There's some slime inside there, as you can see. And then, watch. That is slime inside the container. Ooh. So, yeah. So this is slime inside of the container. Okay, there's that little chunk in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro now. But here's my putty. Here's my putty. So yeah, there it is. That's my magic putty. So anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let me know if you have any magic putty slime, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.